Hey guys, Brian here with another tip of the day. Now in our previous tips of the day, we've talked about numerous applications for polyurethane. We've talked about slab jacking, foam insulation, as well as waterproofing. Now each one of those applications, the foams differ in characteristics. So our slab jacking foam is going to have a higher density and faster reaction times. The foam insulation is going to have a lower density but way faster reaction times. And then our waterproofing is going to have a kind of an in-between of both. Now each foam has those characteristics because the applications vary. If somebody's telling you that this foam can do the same thing as this foam in the same application, more than likely they don't know what they're talking about. So before you believe you're chucking a truck, feel free to give us a call. We'll come out, take a look, and inspect your property or your project and give you our recommendations. And that's your tip of the day.